Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Sheets we are going to learn how to use Transpose. So what is actually Transpose? Let me show you. I'm going to write some numbers in this column, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we're going to select all the numbers right here and we're going to make a copy. So you can just right click and click on copy, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+C. Now I'm going to select this cell and right click, and you can find that transposed with Paste Special. So now I'm going to click on Transpose to paste it. So you can see the numbers in this column, which is in this D column. Now you can see it in this column, which is H, and you can see in this column, in the next columns available all the numbers. So this is how we can use Transpose with Google Sheets. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well, so you stay tuned about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys in the next video.